Hello, creative minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to use basic geometrical shapes and different types of lines to make a kite drawing to celebrate upcoming Makar Sankranti festival. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSS channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4/A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSS experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your use of basic shapes and line, understanding of design, visualization skills. For today's artistry trivia, which traditional Indian art form greatly influences Gemini Roy's style? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. So, let's get started. And in same way, draw a triangle on one end of the kite, which will be the tail of the kite. Now let's start filling the kite with curved lines and circles. Let's make sun the main attraction for the kite, and to make it more interesting, let's add mustache, eyes, eyebrows and a mouth. Also, don't forget to put tilak on our sun. Now to make it more detailed, we will add curvy flames to it, which will make it more interesting. Lastly, as Makar Sankranti is a festival that is associated with harvest season and is a way to give thank the successful harvest season, we can add crops under the sun. Let's not forget to add a thread to which a kite is attached and decorate it with some leaves. To add a background to our kite, let's add clouds. Make the curves of the clouds in spiral shape to make this design more attractive. Now begins the fun part, coloring. Let's start filling the outline of the kite with vibrant red color. Similarly, color the sun with golden yellow, which is similar to turmeric, and orange color for the flames of the sun. Fill every part of our kite with vibrant colors. Also color our background with light yellow color and clouds in blue color. You can also color the way you want and make it vibrant, but not too vibrant. Remember to keep it simple. And there we have it, a vibrant and exhilarating trekking scene etched in our memory. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. The right answer is Kali Ghat painting. Gemini Roy was born in West Bengal and honored by the Government of India the award of Padma Bhushan in 1954. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the Creative Skills Society YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSS.